Hi, my name is Joshua. Let's say that you develop on one platform, say Windows, but your production system runs on another like Linux. Obviously, you'd like to run and test your code on an environment as similar to production as possible. Zen Studio 8's integration with VMware Workstation makes that simple to set up and then execute in a single click. I'd like to run this PHP code that we're looking at on my virtual Linux server, which runs Zen Server as the PHP runtime environment. All I have to do is go to the Run menu and choose Run as PHP Application on VM. The first time I do this, I'll need to set up the connection to this virtual machine. Now I'll see my code running in the Studio browser window, and notice that local URL? It's running from my virtual machine. And after that initial setup, I can run my code in the VM again with a single click. Furthermore, I can debug it in the VM just as easily. Now, let's take a look at the virtual server that my code is running on. This virtual machine is running Zen Server, licensed for development, to mimic production even more. Because of that, I can see what feedback the Zen Server console can give me on my application. As you can see, this PHP request we just made from Zen Studio threw a severe slow request execution event. Actually, I just turned this monitoring rule's sensitivity way up to guarantee that we'd have an event here. I have also configured this monitoring rule to save the code trace to help pin down the most time-consuming parts of the request. And it would be easy for me to export this event from Zen Server and import it back into Studio, so I could have the code trace results point my IDE directly to the PHP code that I should be looking at. So, what have we accomplished here? I've demonstrated how you can seamlessly run and debug applications running in a virtual environment on your desktop, which means that you can accelerate your application delivery and increase your PHP quality by testing in an environment that mirrors production. By the way, you can find instructions for downloading a pre-configured virtual appliance to use, or for configuring your own, in the Zen Studio user guide. For more information, please see www.zend.com/studio. Thanks for watching.